On the floating ships oceans, I did all my best to smile.
Tell me how much you love me.
How much?
That much.
That much?
This much.
That much.
Waiting to.
Hey, are you okay?
They're all dead. The bad man.
I'm gonna have to call the cops, I guess. Excuse me.
What the hell was that?
What?
I just saw something.
All right, that's it. If somebody's out there, just come on out.
What is that? The hitchhiker. What were they all doing here?
What the hell are you doing in my house?
You're all gonna die.
He's killing him!
Who's killing who?
What's wrong with you people?
Oh, mama.